Okay, big update coming in from eastern Ladakh. Tensions in that particular area continue to be on a razor's edge, and now we're reporting to you that India's special mountain forces have been deployed at forward locations in Ladakh across the friction points, especially near the Pangong Tso. The Indian Army has consolidated and reinforced its positions that were taken since August the 29th to get a dominating posture over the Chinese posts. And in the last few days, remember, there has been an escalation by China on both sides of the Pangong Lake. India has reinforced its positions. Special mountain forces have been deployed to strengthen many of these particular areas. So India is expecting the worst. Huge deployment by China on their side, but India taking no chances. The ministers are meeting, but the Indian Army is taking its own measures. Special mountain forces deployed. Abhishek Bhalla, defense editor, breaking the story first and exclusive here on India Today. And I can assure you that Abhishek is only reporting facts that can be reported at this sensitive time. These are not of a classified nature. Abhishek, big development from Ladakh. Special mountain forces, reinforcing India's positions.
Shiv, what I've heard is that, officials who are tracking the developments closely, they're saying that the Indian forces are in a state of highest alert. And that's the reason why forces that are who have specialized in high altitude warfare have been now pressed into action. They are deployed in some of the friction points at forward locations. We are not naming these forces because, that would be compromising with the operations that are taking place, and those are sensitive information. But we can confirm that these are forces that specialized in mountain warfare. And this has happened over the last few days as China has been making multiple attempts to dislodge Indian troops from those mountain heights that they had occupied south of Pangong. Now, it's not just the south of Pangong which is seeing action. Once again, there is focus on the finger area, on the mountain ridges of the Pangong Lake on the northern side,
yes,
with China making defenses stronger, and all this was visible to the Indian troops who had also taken places at some of the tops near the Finger Four area.
Yes.
So from here onwards, it seems things are even when it comes to the two forces coming face to face during this escalation.
Very, very important update there from Abhishek.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.